In this video, we are going to see how to check TrueSight presentation server after silent installation. Let's go and then verify the status of the product to see if all the processes are up and running successfully. To do so, we would have to go into the bin directory where the presentation server has been installed. So navigate to the program files, BMC software, TrueSight P server, and bin. And here we can run the command tssh server status. So you can see all the processes are running successfully. Since the processes are running successfully, now let's log into the presentation server. So go to the host where you have installed the presentation server. So I'm going to use the default admin credentials, and here I am successfully logged into the presentation server console. Another thing to note is when you restart the presentation server, the system requirements are validated. And if we remember, when we ran the install command, we actually used the -j parameter to skip the validation of the system requirements. So in case if the system requirements are not met, the restart process fails. When you use the presentation server only with the TrueSight capacity optimization component, you can skip this validation by performing the following steps. After you perform these steps, the presentation server service is automatically started even if you restart the TrueSight presentation server host. So let's navigate to the following location where the product is installed. That's in the program files, BMC software, TrueSight P server, conf and custom location, and open the csr.conf file. Edit the file by adding the property skip resource check equals to true. Let's restart the product. So I'm stopping the service now. And let's restart the server again. So it checked the system requirements and it's done. Now let's make sure all the processes are up and running. And this concludes the video how to check TrueSight presentation server after silent installation.